Competition 2016. Our project idea is medical shop automation. I, Pallavi Ghorpade, am the team leader of this group along with my friends, and we are from MIT Academy of Engineering, Department of Electronics.
Myself Ramil Khan.
Myself Abhay Bhujbal.
Myself Kanran Kumar Sarkar.
Myself Savita Pawar. I am the Young Ideas Competition Coordinator from MIT Academy of Engineering.
The idea is to automate the medical shop services provided to customer and thereby helps to reduce the manual efforts involved in it. The idea also helps to remove the hectic task of searching the availability of medicines by displaying the available quantity in the Android application. It also helps to show the expiry date of medicines to the customer by directly showing in the application by scanning the barcode.
Now we had shown the project explanation part of our project. This prototype is basically driven by the user input. The user will come here and enter the dispute from the mobile. Whenever you will enter the disputes and click here to continue, it will go to a barcode scanning speed. Because of lack of timing available to us, we have not properly done the scanning part. So user have to here scan the product, and whenever he clicks on scan, the barcode scanning of the product will start. If the correct barcode is scanned, then there will be a display menu that medicine is detected. Now it comes to the hardware assembly part. Hardware assembly consists of a mechanical gripper assembly which is having a lead screw. This is only the thing for which we have costed. Rest other things we have used from scrap. And there is nothing regarding the software part. Software part is done in Atmel Studio 4 and it is basically a Firebird programming, whereas the Android app is being developed using MIT App Inventor, which is basically the best thing to develop an app. The user is now entering the data and pressing the OK and going towards the barcode scanner screen where he will scan the barcode. It is scanning the first barcode. As it is not the correct one, it is proceeding for the other one. Now it is scanning the second barcode. As this is the correct one, it is proceeding towards that particular block. It will now grip the required product and take behind. The most difficult challenge that we encountered in our implemented project was of mechanical gripper assembly. As we all are from electronics department, we were not having even the minute knowledge regarding the fabrication of the structure. The other challenge that we faced was building an Android application as per requirement of our project. Bluetooth interfacing was also always is a big challenge for every student. And the only change that we made in the implemented project in context to the proposed idea was replacing the processing of barcode part by directly scanning it using barcode scanner.
We designed a robot to serve the customer instead of the medical attendant, increasing the efficiency and reducing the human effort. We proposed an idea where Firebird will be picking up the requirement of the customer from the medical shop or the warehouse. And where we have interfaced one Bluetooth module with the Firebird, which is controlling a smartphone. The smartphone is reading the barcode data and then sending back it to the Firebird. And according to the product data, Firebird is picking up the product and then delivering it to the end customer. And we have successfully fully implemented our project idea.
Our costing required for our project. The mechanical fabrication is consisting of 500 rupees. The Bluetooth module is of 300 rupees, connecting wire of 50 rupees, motor driver of 100 rupees, and we have not included the cost of smartphone. Servo motors are of 400 rupees and gripper motor is of 140 rupees. That's all. The total cost becomes 1,590.
The main reason for which our idea should be selected for the eYantra competition finals are, first of all, it is a real-time application which can be easily implemented. This idea not only reduces human efforts but also saves our precious response working time. And the other advantage of this idea is that usually machine use are more accurate rather than humans, which are prone to error. And the special advantage that this project possesses is that it can be implemented in various other departments such as warehouses and supermarkets and many other places.